The ocean is deep, the ocean is wide. So many creatures live inside. I'll give you clues, just wait and see. Listen closely, who could I be? I'm bigger than a school bus, oh so wide. Through the deep blue I gently glide. I don't have teeth, but eat so small. Krill and plankton, that's my call. Who am I? A blue whale. Yes, I'm a blue whale, the largest of all. I sing through the ocean with the mighty call. The blue whale's heart is as big as a car, and it can be heard from miles away underwater. I squeeze through rocks, I hide with care. I change my color, catch me if you dare. With 8 long arms, I hug so tight. I move like magic out of sight. Who am I? A blue whale. Yes, I'm an octopus, tricky and smart. Master of escape, I play my part.
Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood, and they can regrow their arms if they lose one.
Deep in the ocean, where it's dark as night, I glow with a soft and eerie light. A tiny bulb sits on my head. It lures my dinner, then it's fed. Who am I? A blue whale. Yes, I'm the anglerfish swimming low, with my lantern's eerie glow.
Only female anglerfish have the glowing light, and some males are tiny and attached to females for life.
I jump so high, I twist, I spin. I love to race, I always win. I talk in clicks, I sing all day. Through ocean waves, I splash and play. Who am I? A dolphin. Yes, I'm a dolphin, sleek and fast. Through the ocean, I zoom past.
Dolphins are one of the smartest animals and even have names for each other using special sounds.
I squirt out ink when I'm afraid. With tentacles, my moves are made. Some call me strange, some call me bright. At night I glow, a flashing light. Who am I? Yes, I'm a squid, quick and light. A deep sea dancer out of sight.
The humbled squid can change colors while hunting and even communicate through flashing lights on their skin. I don't walk straight, I move sideways on sandy shores or ocean bays.
I have big claws, I click and tap. I scuttle fast, snap, snap, snap. Who am I? A crab. Yes, I'm a crab with claws so neat. I scurry fast on my tiny feet. Some crabs decorate their shells with seaweed and small creatures to hide from predators. The ocean is big, so much to explore, with creatures hidden near the shore.
Now it's your turn. Think, think, think.
What ocean friend comes to mind in a blink?